Real life shit, nigga. Real gang shit, nigga. Some little big shit I've been working on, nigga. Some shit today, untouchable shit. I was down, but now I'm up, don't know what like and brain. I feel untouchable, nigga, and this before the fame. Before the name, niggas changed, but I knew this was coming. No looking back, these niggas wet, they know how I'm coming. Hop on the beat and I go down like I dropped out of school. And I stay on my feet like a pair of shoes. And she stay on my dick like she don't wanna move. OG told me once you get it, it's yours to lose. I got my weight up, I ain't have to pick the weights up. I push the work, I got her sweating like a workout. Your life is made up, a cover up, I call it makeup. You can't get mad cause your bitch easy like a layup. But it's your fault you run the game instead of teacher. When it comes to the booth, I give it lessons like the teacher, no features. Get on your song and make you sing along. And when it comes to the money, make it feel like the phone. And when it comes to these bitches, nigga, it's plenty more. Won't sell myself unless it's worth it. God know I ain't perfect, but I deserve it. Money made me to a better person. Murder the verses in the hook, a double homicide. And they gon' hit me everywhere, call me the great man. Hold out your hand and leave you hanging like a clothesline. But I ain't mad at your decision cause I'm on now. I'm on now, so I'm turning off my phone now.